What's going on, guys? I did another DIY. I seen a few videos, got a couple ideas. Real simple. Um, Homemade smoke machine to check your for vacuum leaks, and 10-minute job. Simple. Finished product. Just got a mason jar, and not very big. Look, guess it's a quart size, and put me a valve stem out of an old rim from a 4-wheel on it, and get me a little tire pump up tube, which you pump up tires with, side the road kit that'll clamp down on it, plug it into a cigarette lighter, and I got a valve to let the smoke build up in here first, and you'll be able to cut the valve on when the smoke builds up and get to the tube, so it'll build up a lot of pressure and come out and shoot your smoke out. Quick DIY. Hope it works.